In this video, I'm going to go through the best ever dividend month in 2021. Now, let's cue the opening. Hi YouTube, my name is Saran, and welcome back to my channel, Investing with Saran. If you watched some of my recent videos, you may know that I'm a go-to channel for dividend investing, and that's what I'm going to focus on today. Today, I'm going to go through all the dividends that I received from June. For those of you that wonder why I like dividend investing so much, I'm going to give you the reason why. I personally love dividend investing as it's passive income, and everyone knows the importance of passive income.
So much money on me, I can't count no more. Remember I was in the project wall, couldn't even get along.
Jokes aside, it's important for an investor to have companies that are good dividend payers but also great growers in their profile. That's why today I'm going to let you know the dividends that I got paid out for the month of June. This month I got 7 different payments from unique companies, so stay tuned to the end of the month to find that amount. I'm also going to show you the things that I could buy with the additional cash I got from my dividends at the end of the video. Before getting into that video, I want to introduce you to Wealthsimple. If you want to start being a partial owner of a company while you get timely cash dividends as well, I'll let you know how to do so. By using the link in the description or using the code on the right of the screen, QDSGTG, you'll be able to invest with Wealthsimple Trade. Wealthsimple Trade is a commission-free trading platform with instant deposits. Plus, by using the code and investing $100, you'll get an extra $10 to your account that you can use for dividend stocks. But enough talking, let's get straight into the video. Welcome back YouTube. Here we are in my Questrade and Wealthsimple portfolio. It's currently sitting around $16.5 thousand with $10.5 in my Questrade and $6K in my Wealthsimple Trade. So let's dive in deep into the month of June to look at the dividends that we got to grow this account. My first dividend payment was from RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, ticker symbol REI/UN.TO. This is one of my favorite companies here in Canada. I will still have to dive deep into the stock to let you know why it's my favorite. But watching my last few dividend videos, you'll know that this real estate investment trust has a majority of its customers from commercial areas such as shopping complexes. I've also chosen this as a solid dividend play with their monthly dividends, as well as a recovery play when commercial areas permanently stay open. At the time of recording, I have 80 shares of RioCan and it pays a monthly dividend of 0.08. I'm continuing to add anything under $20 and hope it reaches to 100 soon. But unfortunately, it's been recovering really nicely, so I'll have to wait until it goes back under $20. In total, I received $6.40 from this dividend, which brings my total so far in June to $6.40. My second dividend payment was from Vanguard FTSE Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF, ticker symbol VDY.TO. This ETF is currently my best performing ETF in terms of total gain in dollar amount. As I said in my last video, talking about the best Canadian ETFs for 2021. This stock holds many strong dividend payers within the TSX market. Their top 10 holdings include Royal Bank of Canada, the Toronto Dominion Bank, Enbridge, Bank of Nova Scotia, Bank of Montreal, TC Energy Corp, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, Manulife Financial, and Nutrient. From the day I'm recording, I have 48 shares altogether, but I plan to buy more until it makes up 15% of my portfolio. This brings my dividend total from VDY to $6.67. With the monthly dividend received from VDY, my current total for the month of June is $13.07. My third dividend payment was from Smart Centers REIT, ticker symbol SRU/UN.TO. By watching my last few dividend videos, you'll know that this real estate investment trust has a majority of customers from big box stores. This includes box stores such as Walmart, Home Depot, and many others. I've also chosen this as a solid dividend play with their monthly dividends, as well as a recovery play as REITs took a big hit as customers got laid off from their job and tenants couldn't always stay open with their lockdowns. I'm living in Toronto, so our stages are getting released slowly and carefully. So eventually when we go back to normal, this will have a significant positive impact to the REITs that we have. At the time of recording, I have 21 shares of Smart Center REIT and it pays monthly. I'm continuing to add anything under $28 to $29 and I hope to reach 25 shares soon. In total, I received $3.24 from this dividend, which brings my total to $16.31. My fourth dividend payment was from ticker symbol EMB.TO. Many things could be said about Enbridge, whether it's talking about their high payout ratio or the future of the company. But looking at a purely dividend standpoint, it's been one of my best. It outperforms great dividend payers such as banks or other financial institutions. This is one of my largest positions in my portfolio as I bought it as a dividend and recovery play for the pandemic, and it has recovered very fast as well. I have 54 shares of this company and it paid out $45.09. This was a bit more than my March dividend video as Enbridge increased their dividend payments since then. This quarterly paying stock brings my total to $61.40. My fifth dividend payment was from the ticker symbol FTS.TO. Fortis is one of my favorite long-term stocks that I have in my portfolio. It is a leader in regulated gas and the electric utility industry in North America. And best of all, it is paying a healthy dividend, which gets increased every year for 21 years straight. I currently have 11 shares of Fortis, which paid me around $5.56, which brings my total to $66.96. My sixth dividend payment was from the ticker symbol MFC.TO. This stock is a Canadian multinational insurance company and a financial service provider that I see having a great long-term growth. This has been one of my newest positions in my portfolio as I added it only a couple months ago, like 3 months ago. And I continue buying it as more people need houses over the long-term period and need mortgages. I also noticed that there's been several times where this stock has been hit, whether it was the 2008 financial crisis as well as COVID. So the only way they can actually kind of go now is just up and recover. I currently have 12 shares of this company and I'm buying anything under $25. Manulife paid me around $3.36 and this quarterly paying stock brings my total to $70.32. My seventh and final dividend payment for June was from another favorite of mine, ticker symbol CNR.TO. The Canadian National Railway is a freight railway company that serves Canada as well as the Midwestern to the Southern United States by offering goods. It's a quarterly paying dividend that has exposure to the United States as mentioned before. I want to increase my position in this stock in the long term and try for 10 to 12 more shares, but I'll only buy more when the stock goes a little bit more down and the dividend yield is around 2%. In total, I received $2.47 from CNR, which is an increase from last December. With that $2.47, it brings my grand total to $72.79. As I said before, the grand total of the dividends received in the month of June is $72.79. This is one of the highest amount of dividends that I received during this year. The growth of the dividend stocks have been great as well within the month of June. Alongside the dividends that they got paid out, each of my dividend stocks grew about 2 to 3% this month. I'm hoping we can add to our success and earn more dividends in the rest of 2021. I'm trying to add more to my initial investment and focus on adding more to diversified ETFs, which I'm trying to do with right now with VFV and VEQT. The overall goal is to acquire ETFs and stocks that pay out dividends to gain more passive income. Hopefully, by doing this, I can continuously earn compound interest on my investment and end up achieving my goal of $1,000 in monthly dividends. But now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you punch that subscribe button down below and drop a like. This will help boost my video with YouTube's algorithm and help any investors along their way with their investing journey. It's been Investing with Saran, and join me next week where I'll talk about my small account growth challenge for 2021. The comment of today's video is from Canadian Dividend Investing with their comment, "Great video, man. Thanks for the support. If you want to be featured in the next video, comment under this video for a chance. Remember to subscribe down below and to check the end of the video. If you guys want to join my dividend journey and learn some concepts of investing, punch that subscribe button down below and drop a like. Remember to click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. It's been Saran, and join me next time on Investing with Saran. If you want to watch more videos from me, click on the videos down below.